Hello guys, kamusta po kayong lahat? At sa lahat po ng makakanood nito, may share nga lang po pala ako. Isang video na naman po nag-viral. Gawa po ng isang Pilipino na naman na taga Maynila. Ito pong video na ito ay ginawa po ng isang vlogger na foreigner. Ito po ay nag-viral at nadismaya po ang ating bisita dito po sa Pilipinas mismo. Ang gusto lang po nitong vlogger nito ay magpahatid sa papuntang hotel. Kaya ito guys, panoorin nyo guys. Des paulit-ulit siyang tinatanong kung magkano. Ayun niya sabihin nung una, nung nakasakay na sa kanya, sinabi na 50 malinaw na malinaw, 50 pesos ang bayad papunta dun.
How much, brother? Brother, how much first? How much? How much? How much? 50. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's like first time I've been in a car. I like your bike. Yeah, motorbike. How many cc's? 200. 200 cc's. Okay, nice. Fourth year. Oh, nice. I also drive motorbike, but 150 cc. I drive 150 cc. Yeah, not 200 cc. This one? Eagle. Eagle. You like Eagle? You're free like Eagle. Fly, fly. What's your name, brother? Oh, no, your hat. Is that your hat? Or clothes? Got the clothes. Got the clothes. And then your clothes? Yo. I'm close. Okay. No problem. Wow, nice bike. How many years do you drive? 20 years. And your age? 20 years. 20 years, 7? You drive 7 years old? Wow. 7 years old. Wow. 7 years old to drive it. Just for him. I think I hold my hand like this. I mean, I put this up here so I can talk to him. What's your name? My name? Chris. Chris. Your name? Any name. Any name. Any name. Any name.
Parang ano dito sa isang magta-tricycle na to, parang gumagawa lang siya ng pangalan na keme-keme lang. Eminem. Nakawa ako sa pangalan Ito guys.
Okay, good name. You are from Manila or a different place? Your home. Manila. You Manila. Okay, good. I make YouTube. YouTube. Ami?
Tignan nyo guys, hindi na siya nag-isip sa ginawa ng lalaki. Di na siya nag-isip na baka mag-viral siya sa ginawa niya. Pero tinuloy niya pa rin. Tignan nyo guys.
Baby. Oh, wow. You're a strong man. Strong man. Very strong. Okay, here's good. Well, you know direction. Good. You know your streets. What is this one? What's this one? Cat. Yeah. Oh, cat. What's that? It's for money? Or for money? No money? What does it say? Cat. Oh, cat. Oh, this is cat. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Okay, brother. This one's in, right? 550. Oh, 550. No.
550 naman ang sinisingil niya, grabe. Gaano kalaki ang sinisingil niya. Ang sabi niya nung una, 50. Nung nandun na siya sa destination 8. Naging 550 na, grabe ka, kuya.
Any motor? That is so close. No, yung company. And I hear you say 50. 550. Man, 550 is so much. 550. Man, 550 I go airports. No, you company. And it's so close. 1 kilometer.
Yung motor niya daw ay galing pang company. Kumbaga nagbabayad din daw po siya dun sa company na sinasabi niya. Kaya naging 550, gagi. Ang galing mo.
And I will give you 100. I hear 50. No, you company mo. It must be. 550, you're going to charge me? Yeah, you company mo too. Company mo to. And you're going to charge me 550. 550 for this. $10 US. You're going to charge me that much. You know you're on camera, right? Okay, man. Okay.
Baka yung camera niya, hindi siya nabahala
It's your choice.
Ito guys yung vlogger na
Say 50, man.
binisita natin dito sa Pilipinas.
Okay, man. Here's your 550.
Ganito tayo na
Next time, don't do
na-encounter
this. This is not good, man. This is not good. Next time you don't do. Okay. No, I'm not giving more. Sorry, guys. That put me in a bad mood. He said 50 at the beginning. Oh, man. I swear to God. Man, that put me in a bad mood.
Ayun nga guys, no? Diba? Sakit, parang nakakaano kasi sa ibang mga bisita natin dito, diba? Hindi naman lahat ganon, pero ang makikita nila sa Pilipino. Lahat ganun, di ba? Pangit yung pinakita mo, kuya, kung sino ka man. Ang pangalan mo, ano, Eminem? Ang galing mo, shoutout sa'yo, sikat ka na.